Hi guys, welcome to Divine Dine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare Tehari. Now take a pan and add about 8 tablespoons mustard oil. Add about 3 to 4 bay leaves, some cardamom, cinnamon and some cloves. Add 2 finely chopped onions, add some garlic cloves and 3 green chilies. Now add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder. Add half cup water to make the gravy and add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Now add 700 grams chicken pieces. Give it a good mix. Now add salt as per taste and add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Add 4 teaspoon curd and stir it. Add about 5 to 6 drops lemon juice. Cover the pan for 15 to 20 minutes. Now open the cover and stir it. Keep this aside. Let's prepare the rice now. Now take a big pan and add about 5 tablespoons mustard oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 1 finely chopped onion and add 3 green chilies. Add some cardamom, cinnamon and cloves to it. Fry this onion until it becomes light brown. Now pour 1 liter water. Add salt as per taste. Cover and cook the masala. Now add 500 grams rice and 1 cup milk. For this type of recipes, the amount of water should be double the amount of rice. Now cover the pan until the rice gets cooked. Now open the cover and add the prepared chicken curry. Mix them well. Now add 1 teaspoon kera water and some coriander leaves. Again cover it and let it cook for more 2 to 3 minutes. And our delicious tehari is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedback in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.